Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to say something about myself. I am Mohammad Abdul Hai Siddiq. I'm from Kustia. I grew up in my Kustia city, but currently I live at Shopipur in Gazipur city. I'm a BSc student in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at European University of Bangladesh. My university is located at Gaptoli in Dhaka. I am an amicable person who always like to meet and take new challenges. I see all difficulties in a positive manner and always try to keep myself smiling, which makes me even more stronger. I like to traveling. It's maybe sea beach, river, bank, and any kinds of natural beautiful places. I am a sports lover. I like most cricket, also badminton and football. My favorite cricket team is my motherland of Bangladesh, and beyond others country, Pakistan. And my favorite cricketer is Shahid Afridi, and my favorite footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo. I like honest person and a reticent person also. And I dislike dishonest and drug addicted people, also smoking and a dishonest person. And I play cricket most of the time with my friends. And when I get my free time, I try to read books. It is religion books. And sometimes I will go outside with my friends for walking. I love walking. And this time I want to say about my family. And I have a beautiful family. There are 6 members in my family. My parents and we are 4 siblings. My father is an ideal farmer and my mother is a housewife. And my big brother, he is a foreigner. And after my elder sister, she is a government soldier. And after my another brother, he is a civil engineer. And I am the little son of my family. Thank you very much for listening my speech.